はい、どうも皆さん、こんにちは。皆さんのホスト、ドミロリアです。よろしくお願いします。So, most of you guys has already watched my previous video, How to Talk Like Me Learn Japanese. So today, I'm gonna tell you how to talk like me learn English. Let's go. So if you guys haven't watched my previous video yet, just click on the tag over here. Watch it. Alright, let's get back. So let's get back to the video, shall we? So most of you guys already know I'm speaking English, I'm just trying to speak facts. So, besides my mother tongue, I use English as really commonly. I use it on a daily basis, communicating with people, or just traveling abroad, talking with native speaker, and so on. And yeah, that's how I actually use English. To actually developing the process of learning English until now, I have to go through a really long process and I suffer a lot. Like back when I was a kid, I probably just playing with the toys, making some weird noise, and then my dad is gonna say really mad, and he's gonna beat the shit out of me. And after that, he's just gonna tell me that get your ass out of here, go and sit somewhere, take out your notebook, note some words down, and yeah, that's how basically I learn English. So the first tips that I'm gonna suggest to you is buy a dictionary. So I know it's 2021 now, most of us already have these, we don't need a dictionary, but I assume that's quite wrong a little bit. Let me just give you an example. Like if you are distracted by games, Facebook posts, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or any kind of things, you probably got distracted and you never look for new words. So I just assume you should buy a dictionary because a book is still better than an electronic device, right? Well, knowledge is gold. I assume so. So the second tip I might suggest to you is go on YouTube, watch some other channels that spoken in English or so. Just you might developing in the interest that you're into. And just watch any kind of genre you like. Gaming, blog, traveling, food, tech thing. And yeah, things will work out for you. And basically, you will improve the English day by day. Awesome. After that, I think you might into testing yourself out. How do you actually understand the language itself? I suggest you to take the test CFR, which is a common European framework for reference of language. So it's just a English test. There's a lot of scale of other language as well, like German, Japanese, Chinese, Korean. So things also works like that. And I actually test myself out. I got B1, 143 out of 150 with key English test. But since I can't reach further than B2, so that's quite sad. So I decided not to take another test. You know, it's a test, right? So it's not really important that much, but it's a lifetime. You could use it for probably traveling or go overseas. So that's the 3 tips that I'm suggesting you today. So thank you for watching the video. Just if you enjoyed this video, just like, subscribe, and tell me what to do in the comment section below. I will read it out. Yes, of course I will. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye bye.